Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good Cyber Monday so far. Everybody is safe. We got another special going on right now still. All you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you really fast. It's wintertime in Michigan. I wish I could show you guys outside, but I'm gonna think of something, so grab some popcorn and let's take a look at this MOOSOO high pressure cleaner power washer, I believe, 1800. Look at this thing. This is a beauty. Kind of looks like Voltron, one of the thingies, how they connect. That's pretty cool. All right, we're gonna look at big old box. Pause, you guys. All right, guys, this is what it looks like when you open it up. This is what you get. You get some kind of hose extension connector, maybe the sprayer. That looks like the sprayer tip. Listen, I never put one of these together, so I'm definitely gonna need this manual. So give that a shot. Oh, here's a gun. Nice color, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, what you know about that? Oh boy. We got some goodies in here. Looks like the handle. Yeah, looks like a handle. Must be a handle. Oh boy. Here she is. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Kind of looks like Bumblebee, Transformers, Voltron. Either or. Oh baby. Yeah, like I said, I never owned one. Always wanted to though, because the outside needs a little power washing, so. But right now, right now it is snowing. You guys can see the snow come down. Oh yeah, so, oh yeah, some stuff at the bottom. Kind of like luggage. There we go. We got some stuff down here. A little portable bottle you get. Alright. So you get the hookup with this. Kind of like Master P. Got the hookup. And now I'm going to move my MOOSOO. Be back. Alrighty guys, I got it all set up. Pretty easy. Got the knobs right there, and I got the green one already on. This little guy. Oh jeez. Hold on. There we go. Alright, got the green tip right there. That's the spray. All that good stuff off your concrete or car wash you can use. And it's really simple. Here's a plug. We just gotta plug it in. Like I said, I'm not going outside because of the snowstorm we have right now. So, but I'll think of something to add at the end of the video to this. But really simple to connect. Got the stands all hooked up right here. Just gonna wrap the cord around the hose. Plug the hose into here. Good to go. See, it says pop to release, and it'll pop out. And then you could, it's be hard to do. Hold on. Let me figure this out. Do it slow, do it right. So here, you can switch so many different ways. I think this is for the soap, maybe, or pretty cool. Kind of like a blaster. Do Call of Duty type thing. Okay. There we go. And then Same thing, just pop and lock it. And you'll hear the click. Alright, through there. Oh yeah, it's pumped. And an easy install the front. Looking good. And to put that nozzle over there. And the hose goes there. Like I said, really nice. We're going to plug her in. Wish me luck. Should work. I mean, everything's plugged in right. But like I said, no water because my outdoor faucet's shut off right now. So can't use it because of winter time. But hold on one sec. Alright guys, it is plugged in. We got the red light on. And then wish me luck. Okay, here we go. To the right. Oh. Carry on. Boom. Shut that off. Excellent. Alright. It's still brand new. Got to warm up a little bit. But everything's good to go. Everything's fine. Stay tuned if you guys want to see this thing in action. Want to figure out something how to do it. But if not, be safe. Have a good day. And see you soon.